Hello everyone and hello world. In this video, we will learn more about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing, event, feeling, or idea. We have here some examples. It names a person like Ellen, Alex, teacher, boy, girl. It names a place like Ilocosur, market, hospital, city, street. It names an animal like cat, dog, muning, lizard, elephant. Here are other examples. It names a thing like shoes, Adidas, ruler, pen, couch bag. It names an event such as Christmas, New Year, holiday, party, Independence Day, and names a feeling like love, anger. It names also an idea like religion and faith. Let's have some exercises. You identify the noun or nouns found in each sentence. I hope that you are ready. First sentence, I love to wear that shirt. What is our noun? The answer is shirt. Did you get it right? Next, the child is sleeping. What is our noun? The answer is child. Elena always prays. What is our noun in the sentence? The answer is Elena. Next, I can't wait for Christmas. What is our noun? The answer is Christmas. I love my religion. The answer is religion. I saw my doctor last night. The answer is doctor. Faith moves mountains. And the answers are faith and mountains. I really love my cat. The answer is cat. There you go. Good job. Please remember, when we say noun, you are giving names. You are giving names of person, place, animal, thing, event, feeling, or idea. I just hope that you've learned something in this video. Thank you for watching.